Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change voice during Zoom meeting. So first of all, what you have to do is open voice changer software, which is called VoiceWave from Ease US. You have so many different voices to choose from. How to use it? All you have to do is select the icon. For instance, hello, this is my voice. You can hear my voice, right? Hello,
Hello, how are you?
This
This
is
is my new voice.
Some of
the voices are pro.
So if you're on a free trial, you can get limited voices, but if you're using the pro version, you can use the Donald Trump voice, you can use the Cristiano voice, you can use so many voices. You can also change the volume, the pitch, each and everything. Once you've done that, what you have to do is open Zoom on your PC or laptop. Now you can join any meeting or create a new meeting. Click on test speaker and microphone. Now in the microphone section, you have to click on the drop down button and select the VoiceWave microphone. Once you select that, you're good to go. So that's simply how you can change voice during Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.